Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit audio with muffled effect in CapCut Mobile. So in here, I've already imported a video and I've already extract the audio to the timeline. So if you don't know how to extract, you can just click on the video and find the extract audio option, this one. So now it's click over audio because I've already extracted, and after that you can just click on the audio file on the timeline, and to add the muffled effect you can go to audio effects, and now under the voice filter you can use this option. You can choose between the megaphone
so overexposed in the band. Like that's why I took
or
time.
the funnel.
So overexposed in the band. Like
But for the
that's why
funnel,
I
I
took
suggest you
time.
to reduce the noise
So overexposed in the band.
like
Like
that.
that's why I took
Or
the
you can
time I
also
had to
try
like
other
not necessarily do what
voice
every
filters. Let's
industry
try
or every company
the
was doing.
um, phonograph
So
maybe.
overexposed in the band.
I
Like
think this
that's why
sound
I took
muffled
the
too.
time I had
So
to
you can
like.
just choose one of these audio effects. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.